Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri badipet yakatanat puli puthi kajala urakam Samla ulapan pau kajing sengosi halor kajing bomla ki Samla kajala ban pas jaka exam civil service balapan long daka Union Public Service Commission. Hakabede bakani urakam ulaong bakani kajing bomla ki Samla kajala ban pas jaka exam civil service kala bandan kadaw. Kani galong kajing kersiyo thia yaka sorkar yaki jaka puli bad yaki Samla puli ulaong. Myntri ulaong balada kan yeja kumni kan long kajing sa dum ya kajala hakipor ban sawan. Ulaong ru ba kajing bomla ban penbiang ya kirukom hikai haki jaka puli bat ki Samla puli hapo kajala. Bat kumjuru ban penyadai kerdan bat kajing hikai haki weipat ki jaka hakari India bat ki weipat kiri haka perthei. Kala bandai kadaw baki Samla ki ya kendu jing e. Kumta ula kentui ki Samla baki de ban Trei Shitom bandan ka Mynsiem ya le met bat Mynsiem kenang ban yo ya kajing jom. Kum kajala ngilele kat bala ban penbiang ya ki jaka ajing hikai ya ki Samla ki baya khun ya ki exam civil service hendrai ngam sngut hu hangno ngidon kajing duna loong urakam.
This civil service examination, like the results just come out, and none of the Meghalans has been come out again this year. So this is a matter of concern, and in 50 years, it's very unfortunate. But like there may be a reason where we have gave, where we have left behind. So I think this is a wake up call for the governance, for the institutions, for the academicians, for the young people of Meghalaya. We still believe the Meghalaya students we are second to nobody. But however, what is happening, the trend is very grim for us. If Meghalaya fail to produce civil service candidates in their future, it will be a dark future for the state. Therefore, I think I would request the young, brilliant people of our state, the children's young peoples. I think, like our thinking, I think the we should have a self motivation. Maybe the curriculum, the syllabus, the institution, the quality of our institution, the quality of our teachings might be the issue. But here, to me, the minds of our young people not well connected with the national standard, both physically and mentally. So I think as a students, as a institutions, our students must get connected well with the national and the international standard, both physically as well as mentally prepared to face the challenges. Because the entrance examination, like the national level, right? I don't know where we have went wrong, but I think it's time to reignite ourselves. That I am second to nobody, and we should have reignite ourselves. This is what I feel. Government has, of course, government is supporting with scholarship, with civil service training, like with Mati here. So despite government efforts, government is trying its best, but I don't know where we are lagging behind. So I think it's a wake-up call to everybody. Government is trying its best with different programs, the different incentive. So many of the candidates has been landed in the MCS examination. Now, of course, we have spent the money, but has been we have seen many brilliant MCS officers here right now in the state. But however, many of our boys could not crack to the UPSC examination for this few years. I think, but in the future, I'm sure Meghalaya will see somebody coming up again.
Is it because that we lack in these coaching centers in Meghalaya?
That's also one of the reasons. But it is not true at all also. But to me, the quality, the foundational quality of children is something, this is the bottom line that has to be looked into. So the quality at the foundational stage, the school level, the high secondary level, and higher education, right? So this is something like the curriculum, the syllabus, the content that we teach, that we learn. I think this will be really challenge for the teachers, for the institutions, academicians also.
So can we say that the government's decision to introduce NCERT textbooks will really help students from Meghalaya who are aspiring to sit for the UPSC exams in the future?
It introducing only is not going to make the change difference, but of course they will really take things to a certain stage. So I think introducing NCERT textbook, the content is really will connect our knowledge with at the national standard level. So it is not only that reading only NCERT textbook is not the solution. We have to go beyond. We have to go beyond the boundary to go out and I think therefore we are just going into the deep bottom line now issue. There is structuring our syllabus, our textbook, our curriculum, the quality teachings, and many more to be done. Our children's return again not well connected with the national and the international standard. So be in the curriculum, be it physically, be it mentally, right? So we should learn at a global level what is happening in Gujarat, what is happening in Manipur, what is happening in Shillong, what is happening in Delhi, what is happening in London, all over we should well be prepared. I feel like general studies is something that we should be more what you call activate.
Coaching academies springing up in state outside. Why not government have its own coaching academy?
This is we have just talking just now few hours back. So bringing the coaching center from the private institutions is also one of the way forward. But however, I mean, like to me, the self motivation is really the need of the hour for the students.